What's going on, sports card collectors? I am back for another video. This is your boy, Superman Card Pulls, coming at you for something absolutely crazy out of the box. I wanted to really buy a hobby box of this, but when I see the price, I had $1,400 saved on the side starting months and months ago at the end of 2019-20 season, and was like, you know what? I'm going to buy me a hobby box of 20-21 Prizm when it comes out. And then I see the prices, and with the rookie class, in my eyes, it can develop to be something like the rookie class of 2019, but I don't really see it quite yet. A lot of high-end collectors and collectors in general are on the same spectrum that I am. I mean, we were seeing LeBron James out of here fetching more money than any of the rookies that are in this set right here. So I decided to go the retail route. No, I did not find these on the shelf. If I did, I probably wouldn't even do a video. These would all be just ripped open and scattered everywhere. Prices on single cards from this set is just unbelievable. No name rookies selling for $15, $30, $50. It's just nuts, guys. I mean, where is the ceiling to this, whatever you want to call it, bubble, the hype, the boom, the bang? We can go back to 2018 when you could find these just on your shelf all day long and just buy as much as you want. And now people literally camp out for 20 hours before the store even opens just to be that first person in line to be able to get their limit of maybe 1, 2, or 3 boxes, depending on your location, because the resale value is through the ceiling. This particular product, which is the Prizm hangers, when these first hit, they were selling for $230 like pancakes at your local IHOP. So without further delay, with some really shaky hands, I'm going to get into this first hanger right here and see what we might have in store for us. I'm really hoping for that LeBron hyper. I'll take a LeBron base or a silver. I've been looking to buying an Enduro motorcycle, brand new. Something to tool around with on the farm at the farmhouse over here. And it's going to cost me at least $4,600 for a KDL Kawasaki 230, which might be too small for me. I'm really looking for something like more 350cc or higher. And empty box, that's how we go. Like always, I'm not sure if there's NPNs on here, but let's go over it here. So we're looking for some goodies. And yeah, this is my first time opening it, and we do have something super thick in there, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, I'm already shaking. Can you feel the hands? Can you feel the hands? Look at that. Look at that, guys. We've got something thick in there. Oh, shit. Let me just take a minute here. Oh, God, please be somebody I need, man. I really need to get this motorcycle. You guys have no idea. Oh, my God, we got something so thick, dude, right there. So, going to be very careful with these. All of these will be instantly penny sleeved afterwards. I'm going to put the hit to the back right now. So whatever that thick card is going to be our last one. And let's go. Buddy Healed. Chris Paul. And I am seeing what everybody's talking about. These cards are super off-centered. Right is so fat to the left. Second card, same thing. Right, so fat to the left. Whew. Porzingis. Holiday. Josh Jackson. Darius Baisley. Kemba Walker. Really cool looking card. Look at that. They all look the same. Like so off cut. Andre Drummond. Silver. What? Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. You guys can't see the next card. I just saw it. It'll be on eBay in about 10 minutes after this video airs. Along with the Drummond. So first blah 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 blah. First thing I want to say is every single card has been off-centered. Andre Drummond, silver. Very nice. You will find that at your local eBay store near you. Boom! Yeah. See a print line. You guys see that print line right there? Jason Tatum, green. Get this stuff out of the way so y'all can't see it. Somebody's going to love that bad boy right there. Pack dust, I'll take care of that later. That one is actually nicely centered. Next card. I don't even know who that guy is. I've never heard of him. Is he getting it into an into? Not numbered. We got Beanpole. Fucking let's go! Yes! Yes! Oh my god, no! Oh shit! LeBron dominance. Fucking shit. Oh shit. Let's get into the oranges, dude. Come on, give me some love, guys. Danny Green. Luke Kennard. Fuck it. Paul George. Come on, LaMelo Ball. Larry Nance Jr. Struck out in the oranges. Let's see if we can finish it off strong with some good rookie cards. Stanley. Not one that I'm looking for. Ingles. Not another Luke Kennard. And this is going to be our hit right here, guys. Let it be huge for me and for the fans. Luke Kennard and strikeout. A fucking strikeout, guys. Ugh, that fucking stung so hard. That stung so hard. Fuck. Fuck my life, guys. I'm out of here. Superman card pulls. I'm out.